Realme Pad Mini is a powerful all-rounder. This includes a powerful design, a powerful performance, and a powerful battery. With a thickness of just 7.59 millimeter, it is the thinnest tablet in its price range. The tablet sports a 8MP rear camera. You can take awesome photos with ease and also record 1080p HD videos. As you can see, it sports an 8.7-inch LCD HD display with unbelievable colors and clarity. The screen-to-body ratio is 84.59% for a huge field of view. Realme Pad Mini is equipped with stereo speakers certified with Dirac. What's more, it also supports adaptive surround sound. Realme Pad Mini uses a Unisoc T616 processor, which gives a truly powerful performance. This industry-leading octa-core processor has a CPU main frequency of 2.0 GHz, allowing Realme Pad Mini to operate with high efficiency. Made with an advanced 12-nanometer manufacturing process, the processor not only provides efficient performance, but also ensures lower energy consumption. In addition, Realme Pad Mini supports the UFS 2.1 flash memory, enabling faster app startup and faster writing speeds, which means it gives you a stronger and a more efficient usage experience. We also offer a massive 64 GB storage version with an option to upgrade to 1 TB. It may be hard to imagine that Realme Pad Mini's ultra-thin 7.59 millimeter body manages to fit a massive 6,400 mAh massive battery. Complemented with an 18 watts fast charge, one charge is enough to power a whole day of use. Also, this excellent battery life can power up to 15 hours of video watching, and its big 8.7-inch screen makes everything from YouTube videos to movies and immersive viewing experience.
Coming on to our powerful and the all-rounder, the Realme Pad Mini. It comes with a 6400 milliamp hour battery, 8.7-inch large display, and a powerful processor. The Realme Pad Mini will be available in two different colors, which is blue and gray. It will be available in 4 different versions, 2 from Wi-Fi and 2 from LTE, having 2 variants, which is 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB. The price of Wi-Fi 3GB 32GB would be priced at rupees 10,999. The price of LTE 3GB 32GB variant will be priced at rupees 12,999. There are many prices. I think you have to note it down. There are a lot of prices going to be announced today. And there's more exciting things which are coming forward. The Wi-Fi, which is 4GB 64GB, would be priced at rupees 12,999, and the LTE 464 would be priced at rupees 14,999. Is that enough? No, but there's something more which is going to come down. The first sale of this stunning device will be starting from May 2nd, 12 noon onwards on realme.com, Flipkart and the stores nearby you. But, as I said, there is something more which is coming for the tablets, as it's our anniversary and we wanted to give to you something. From May 2nd to May 9th, we'll be celebrating our anniversary on all our channel partners, and make sure you get a special offer up to rupees 2,000 off on all the variants on realme.com, flipkart.com and stores near you.